channel, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nelly and I am so glad to have you. I hope you will subscribe before we get into this video. So you guys, today I am back with a makeup tutorial, and I feel like it's been such a long time since I filmed a makeup tutorial, but I'm off to a wedding and I'm going to be wearing a green dress. So I thought it would be so nice for me to create a green makeup look with an eye look that is green, to be specific. And I thought it would be nice for me to film myself getting ready before I leave. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this makeup look over here, please keep on watching. So I have nothing on my face right now. I'm going to start with my eyes. So I'm just going to zoom you guys in just a little bit. There we go. Okay, I think I should do brows first, and I'm going to come back to you guys. You know what? In fact, let me actually do my brows on camera. Okay, first up, I brush my brow hairs upwards. Then I take this Alila pencil. It's in the shade brown. And I'm gonna fill in my brows lightly. Taking this Take a Bow brow bar from Sorbet, I'm gonna go in with this shade right there with a brush. Then I go over what I just filled in with my pencil. You see? Then afterwards I go in with concealer to clean that up. Sometimes I like to go in on the top as well to clean that up. But this I only do if I have not done my foundation, because I don't like harsh brows. So if I do this after my foundation, it does tend to look a bit harsh. I go in with my pencil to finish off everything and just fill in anywhere to make it look the way that I want it to look. Yeah. So I already put concealer on my eye, but I did not set it because I just want the pigment to be really there. I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette. Today I'm going to a wedding. I'm gonna be wearing a green dress. And because of that, I want to do a green eye. So I'm going to go in with that shade right over there. That green shade. And the name of the shade is Enchanted. Then I'm going to focus this on my crease. I'm going to tap, tap, tap in. Then I'm going to put that on my crease, just to blend that in. Next up, I'm going to go in with that shade Mocha over there. Taking a different brush. This is a fluff hair blending brush, and just at the very top, that green shadow, I'm gonna blend in that mocha. And I'm gonna go in circular motion. Alright, so now I'm going to take a clean blending brush and I'm just going to blend out the edges of that look. because I'm trying to make it look seamless and beautiful. Then I go in with the green to intensify it, because that's the main color that we want to pop. Okay, then I'm gonna go into that shade, which is Roxanne, right over there. I'm gonna put that right in between the brown and the green. This is like a burnt orange shade. Blend with the clean brush. Blend with the clean brush. Then I'm gonna go in with that green shade over there, Diva. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl liner. This is a gel liner, and I'm gonna use this brush for liner. So I put on my lashes, and now I'm gonna moisturize my face using my Nivea body lotion. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with my Sorbet Face First foundation. I'm gonna mix it with this Wet n Wild foundation. Test it there. Yeah, I think this looks beautiful. You're beautiful, it's true. For concealer, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 40. And I put this on my chin, forehead. And I'm gonna highlight my nose. For setting underneath my eyes, I'm going to be using this Sorbet Powder to You powder in the shade Translucent. And set. When are you going to get ready? Tinashe? Set just the center of my forehead. I'm going to take my Master Bronze palette from Maybelline, and I didn't set around the edges of my face, so I'm going to use this bronzer to set. just gonna push it in. I'm gonna put that around my face as well, like all over my face. I'm going to take this bigger brush and I'm going to dip into my translucent powder. I actually like to use my Eco toothbrush for this, but I can't find it. Then I'm going to set the rest of my face. Go down my neck. So taking the blending brush I was using earlier, I'm gonna go back into the mocha shade I used, the brown shade. I'm gonna take a smaller brush, go into that matte green shade and put it in my lower lash line. For blush, I'm going to go in with this Revlon blush, which I love so much. For highlighter, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Whisper of Guilt highlight using the same brush I used earlier for my blush. I'm gonna apply this on my forehead as well and on my chin. Then I'm gonna put some of it on my nose and blend it out. Okay, and now for lips, I'm gonna go in first with this LA Girl liner in the shade brown. Then I'm gonna go in with this LA Girl lip liner as well, but this one is in the shade Chocolate and I'm running out of it. I'm gonna go in with my Avon lipstick in the shade Au Naturel. The center. Don't know why my nose is so dry. And then to finish off everything, I am gonna set my face using my Rose Dewy Glow from the Body Shop. Alright guys, so that is it for today's makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to subscribe, please make sure to like, and please make sure to leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.